Say person. Gab-gab. Is Gab-gab here?
Gab-gab substance?
Not yet?
No.
Yeah, it's okay. How about Lincoln? Is Lincoln here?
No.
Oh,
Gavin, you're
I
present.
think Lincoln is absent today. How about Gavin? Is Gavin here?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
I'm here.
Gavin?
Present. This is present.
Say present. Gavin?
Si person.
Present.
Present.
Very good, Gavin. Okay, good job everybody for being in school today. Even if you're online, still you joined. Very good. It's nice to see you. Good job everybody.
My breakfast is carbonara.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing, Amir. Very good. Okay, let's continue with our class now, everybody.
My.
Teacher,
Okay, when teacher is talking, you should always
Kasi para pa,
listen.
ikaw
And the
i-unmute
last
mo pag
one
ano.
is
Raise your hand.
I-unmute lang pag
if you want to
ano,
answer or
mag-talking.
if you need help, raise your hand. Okay?
Math.
Let's see. How about our Bible verse? Do you still remember our Bible verse?
Children, obey
You
your
still remember?
parents and
Okay, let's have Colossians.
Gabin, sit down ka pwede.
Very good, everybody. Now, let's start now with our
Gabin, sit down pa
reading
pwede.
time. Teacher will show you first a video. We are going to sound out again the letters. Okay, let's practice, everybody.
Apple.
Apple.
Apple, it's the baby, baby, and it's the needle, and
We have a needle here.
it's the orange,
Yes.
it's the spider,
I like a spider.
spider,
I like it.
spider,
Children.
and spider.
Now, we are going to practice your CVC words. Are you ready na?
Unmute natin.
Yeah, everybody.
Rat.
Sorry. Ra. Combine. What word? Run. Very good.
Rat and it's run really fast.
Very good. Okay, how about this one? Eyes here, everybody. No. What word? Next. No. What word?
Wait.
Very good,
Wait a
everybody.
minute. Wait.
What word? Weak. Very good. How about this one? P. Combine. Is the word pin. Good job, everybody.
Ding
Pin.
ding. Fake.
How about this one? Zip. Combine. Zip.
Zip. Zipper. Zipper your mouth.
Okay, teacher will change this one first. There you go. What word is
Zipper
that
your
again?
mouth.
Gabin, you're quiet.
Zip. Zip. Oh.
Pwede, you don't listen to your teacher.
Now let's read, everybody. Let's start with this one. Let's start. We have bat. And the next one is very good. How about this one?
Para marunong ka magbasa.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Let's continue. How about this one? Whoop. In. We. How about this one? In. In. Yes. How about zip? If. Zip. Very good. Okay, let's continue. Brain, everybody. And after this,
Everybody,
Baba,
elbows back.
Tanong gado tapos. Tuli para tuli.
Ta-ta.
Need to dance anymore.
Together.
Together. Tama tuli para shuli tata. Shuli para shuli tata shuli tata.
Elbows back.
Elbows back.
Apart.
Together. Together.
Yes, Miguel.
I forgot the cake. You forgot the cake.
Yeah, the cake is also sweet. Can you sit properly? I cannot see you. I can see only your foot. Can you sit properly po?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Who else? Who's raising their hand? Hi, Aliyah. You want to tell us something? Wala na? Let's continue our class. Oh, yes, Miss Gia.
Can I go to school? I went to school.
What?
Yes.
You're at home, yes. You're all at home.
I'm back. I'm back.
We need to stay at home for now, okay?
I'm back.
We will just do our online classes.
I
Okay?
like the school.
Let's continue na.
It's the same
For
thing,
a
Gab.
minute po.
Gabin, sit properly, di ba?
Yes,
Sit
Daddy.
properly, sit properly.
Okay, let's
Gabin.
continue everybody.
Gabin.
Again, this food, they are all what? They are all sweet. Very good. The sugar candy, the strawberry jam, the ice cream, the chocolate, the cookies, the cupcake, and the cake here. They are all sweet. Okay? And the next one, let's have sour. Can you repeat after teacher? Say sour. Sour. Yes, Estefan, will you raise your hand?
I think the ice cream was the sweetest one.
Yeah.
Gusto niya magsalita na
What are the
mag-respond.
examples of sour food?
pee.
Can you tell me, teacher? What are the examples?
I need to pee.
Lemon. Very good. Ano pa?
I need to pee.
Okay, open ko.